Look at that fender gap. What's going on, BamFam? Today's a great day. I'm very excited because I finally got my bike back from the shop. The rear swing arm is fixed. So let's get into the details. Bam, bam. Okay, so for those of you who've been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I was having rear swing arm issues. My rear swing arm was binding up. It's a known problem that Harley's been having, and was especially for the 2018 plus softail models. And basically it took a year and a half. Yeah, it took a year and a half to finally get my swing arm fixed. So originally I took the bike up to Blackjack Harley-Davidson to get it fixed. Big Daddy Harley, MOCO, said, okay. Loosen this up, retorque it, and that will be the fix. Lo and behold, it did not fix the problem. So after calling MOCO, telling them that I was still having the issue, and explaining to them that I was dissatisfied, they reopened the work order and told me to take it back up to Blackjack Harley. So I took it back up there. They warranted the rear swing arm as a whole, sent an entire new swing arm, got it installed, and now it runs so well. My RWD rear shock actually can do its freaking job, and it is so damn nice. I'm gonna go ahead and link the video in here of me proving that the swing arm was jacked up, not the rear shock, because originally Harley was like, oh, it's the rear shock. The rear shock is bad. First of all, it's hard as shit to pick up. Doesn't move. I have to push it back down myself. No, it's not. It was almost $1,000 shock. It is not bad. You can see it actually does its job. You sit on the bike, and it actually moves. How exciting is this?
Yeah. Yes, this fire has just started, and we will not put it out.
What is he doing?
I don't really know that pose.
Yes, welcome to me dry humping my bike. So, finally, after a year and a half, my bike is running perfectly. I'm very excited. So, shout out to Bailey, the master tech that always does all the maintenance on my bike. Whenever I take it up there to Blackjack. So hit up Blackjack Harley-Davidson, tell Dan that BamFam sent you so you can get the hookup. All right, y'all. Bam, bam.